Hey YouTubers, gonna do some quick product reviews. These are sales that are probably still going on Amazon, the whole Black Friday, Cyber Week kind of thing. So I tried to get this video together and maybe help some other people. What I have is this solar charger. It's by FEELLE, something like that. And we'll open it up. It's just gonna mainly be unboxing and first ideas about it. They give you a user's manual. And everybody likes user's manuals. Okay, we'll take it out. Comes in a little bag. It's not light, but it's not heavy. It also has, you can charge it by USB. So there's that. Now let's take a look at it. What it has here is, well, first there's the model number. What it has is foldable other solar panels. The back feels plasticky, rubbery. I'm not sure which one it is. This also has a 1-year warranty it got good reviews on Amazon. So there's a little clip here. Open it up, and it's got 4 panels all told. It is 25,000 milliamps. It has a lithium polymer battery. And they say that it will charge on a full charge. When this is fully charged, it'll charge a cell phone 8 to 10 times. And obviously, because you have 4 panels instead of 1, they say that it'll charge it 4 or 5 times faster than if it just had 1 panel. So this feels like a leather kind of case on the outside of it. And again, it's not light, but it's not heavy. I'll stick the weight in right about now. Okay, because I didn't know how much it weighed when I was looking at it. Now let's see. So we turned it on. And as you can see, it's got half a charge. And if I open it up, the light will probably, even in this light, is it starting to charge? No. All right, you can see just under a normal light that it's charging. Green light's on, and the dots move to show it's charging. If I push the battery again, hold that down, it has a light. I push it again, the light blinks. Push it again, it's strobe, it blinks faster. If I push it again, it stops doing that. Now it has a plastic cover, which will make the whole thing is water resistant. You know, I wouldn't dump it in a lake, but if it's raining or gets damp, you'll be all right. So it has a cover. Has 2.1 amp charging outputs. And again, in the center is where you can charge it via USB. So first impression, I like it. Let me grab something. Hold on. So to make sure everything's good on it, I will stick in charging cable into one port. I will grab my phone here, and I will plug it in. And you can see that it's charging. Now what I will do is I will unplug it, plug it in the other one. And first thing tells me that both charging ports work. So that is the FEELLE 25,000 milliamp solar charger. I love me some gadgets, and in the RV or thrown in a backpack, these things are good. I probably wouldn't take this in the backpack. I might. It would be the only one I took then. But around an RV and stuff like that on short trips, I would take it. Thumbs up, first review. I'll put the product particulars in the description block. I don't do affiliate, so just go to Amazon if you want to buy it. I hope this was helpful. Have a great and wonderful day.